Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm reviewing this new doll from Ralph Breaks the Internet. I'll also be showing you a quick restyle to make it look a little bit more like actual hair. Where I live, the movie only comes out the 12th of December, so I have to wait for a while before I can actually see it. But I could not wait to get this doll from the new character Yaz. I got this doll from Amazon, but she's also available now in the Disney stores. This doll comes in a really cool, simple box with the movie logo in the top left corner. A look at the doll, and a picture of her in her extra outfit. There's an image of Vanellope holding a sign that says Fashion Yaz, which is the name of the doll. Then in the top right corner, there's a Wi-Fi sign, making the box look like a smartphone. Then, on the back of the box, there's a picture of the doll in the first outfit she's wearing, including some really cool sunglasses. It shows pictures of a girl playing with the doll, a close-up of the fashion, and some different styling options of the outfits. After looking at the box, it's time to get the doll out. Yaz was mostly secured with tags that I cut carefully from the front of the box. For harder to reach areas, like the back of her head, I cut the tags from the back of the box. After removing the outfit from the box as well, I make sure to remove all of the tags from the actual outfit. In the box is also that extra pair of sunglasses. You can just put them on like this, and they stay on pretty well. Because the shoes are quite flat, it's pretty easy to let Yaz stand on her own. To give a better look at the doll, I'll take off the jacket first. The overall color scheme of this doll is blue, with her blue hair, skin, blue eyebrows, eyes, and eyeshadow. Even her side smirk has this blue lipstick on it. As you can see, the lips aren't painted even, but they go to one side. From what I've seen, all Yaz dolls have these, so it's not a factory defect. Yaz has this really cool hairstyle, with her side shaved, and the top of her hair curled, to keep in that mohawk hairstyle. The curls on top are heavily gelled in place, so they're rock hard. The outfit Yaz wears underneath the coat is this halter top and skirt two-piece. The outfit is a dark blue, with triangle designs on it in different shades of blue, and two golden stripes as well, that really remind me of what a computer memory looks like. Both the top and the skirt open and close with Velcro in the back. Yaz is wearing these heeled boots that are attached just like Brad's shoes, so the doll does not have any actual feet. Yaz has pretty big hands compared to other dolls, but just like Ever After High and Monster High dolls, the doll hands simply pop off to make it easier to redress the doll. On the other hand, there's also this bracelet made from the same transparent plastic as the sunglasses. As you can see, this doll has a really interesting body type that kinda reminds me of the Violet doll from The Incredibles. The body is articulated in the shoulders, elbows, and wrist, and in the hip and knee as well. Because you can take off the hands and feet, this doll is really easy to redress. Attaching the hands back to the arms is harder than I expected though. But once they are attached, they're on there really sturdy. The second outfit Yaz comes with is this bright red suit, with this dark blue metallic shirt that is sewn into it. The blazer looks really cool and has these shoulder pieces on it as well. Then for the pants, there are these really simple high-waisted pants. Both the blazer and the pants velcro in the back, just like the first outfit. And then there's also this furry jacket that Yaz was wearing in the box, which is a light blue color and is really soft to the touch. As I said, the hair is really strongly gelled in place, so I wanted to try and rinse out the gel. I start by just rinsing the hair in cold water, brushing the hair to remove the gel as much as possible. Then I add some hair conditioner to soften the hair. And rinse that out as well. After that, I use some hot water to loosen up the curls and tame the volume a little bit. Then I also made a no-sew halter top by tying a strip of fabric around the doll's top. When I put the jacket on, you cannot see the tied ends anymore at all. As you can see, after washing the hair, it still has some of the curls, looks really fluffy, and can be styled in a lot of different ways. I would really like to reroot this doll's hair as well to make it a bit longer and a lot softer, but the head is really hard, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do that. If you want to see me attempt a reroot on this Yaz doll, make sure to leave a comment down below. But for now, this was the review and restyle of this Yaz doll. I really hope you liked this review. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more pictures of my doll restyles, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, @thedollboy. See you next time!